you doing now?
I'm cutting the breast off of the turkey in the whole piece so that it can be sliced for presentation.
Okay. Slice of turkey. 101.
Oh, it's Carol?
Big one. Drop it. It's hot. Yeah. Grandpa's cutting the turkey. Just cut one off at a time. Get the ribs in there, or you go around the rib?
Go around the rib. Getting a bone here somewhere.
They're still negotiating back and forth, so hopefully they'll do it.
The whole thing comes up in one piece. Wow. It's hot. Handle with care. Oh, there's a little bone there. Okay. This is a little different than I've seen you do before. Let's put a cooking show. Here you go, Patty. It's right back there. Do you remember?
Is this a YouTube video?
Yeah. Turkey 101. First we remove the breast. Now we're slicing it. How thick are those slices?
Yeah. It's about 3/8 of an inch thick.
3/8 of an inch. If you're in the UK, that's like a centimeter, right? Can you convert that to metric?
4 millimeters.
4 millimeters. Guess they don't have Thanksgiving in the UK though.
If I had a little more time, I'd be cutting off some of the other meat, making that as the bed first. Get some dark meat on the tray too, because people like
Is it expedited? It looks like there's vegetables inside there too. For stuffing?
Now, those vegetables,
Is that like garnish or?
yeah, it's more for flavor.
Oh, okay. Audrey wants to help. How many people will that be right there? That's half of the white meat. Right? Nancy, how heavy is this bird? How heavy is the bird? 20? 23 and a half. How many kilograms is that? We're doing conversion for the people in, expatriates, in Australia, and all that. I don't even know if you can buy a turkey outside.
You slide. Did you get the whole thing?
Slid off now?
Yeah, slid it off. You put it on a spatula, right? Slide it onto the tray, and now it looks nice. It's like a restaurant. That ends episode 1.